Well, hello my dear creative, it's Olga Sorokina here, and in this short video I want to welcome you to check my brand new lesson on interior design drawing in a one-point perspective. We are going to draw an interior and an exterior view of a wonderful design villa by John Paulson, Neuendorf House. And in this class we'll not only explore the principles of one-point perspective, but also will explore the contrast between being in an interior and looking out onto the exterior space, and otherwise being on the exterior looking back into our interior. So this class will consist of two videos. In the first one, we will be focusing on the interior view, plus I will talk about the connection between the layout of the house and the interior. And for the second part, we will change our point of view and we will be drawing an exterior of the house. In terms of the materials, all you'll need for this class is an A4 format paper, preferably marker paper, a pencil, and literally just two markers. And I'm really excited to share this knowledge on perspective drawing with you, so can't wait to see you on the inside. Visit schoolofsketching.com today.